So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. Make sure you have the startup type on automatic delayed start. And then click on start, which will then mean service status running. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on advanced options. And now you're going to turn on receive updates for Microsoft products. Turn this on. Now we're going to go back to Windows Update and then click on check for updates right here. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Ignore this error on my screen, but in your case, the scan will start running. You're going to wait for the scan to get to 100%, then you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.